Hi guys, T-Biz here. I hope you've enjoyed my After Effects intros, and today I'm going to teach you how to make my first one that I ever done. And if you haven't watched it, I'll quickly show you what that is. It goes like this. Like that, nice simple one. This is just a beginner tutorial, so let's crack on. First of all, you want to go File, New Project. I'm just going to save this one quickly. I just save it as Quickie to desktop. Right, yeah, New Project. Then you want to go Composition, New Composition, and make the duration 5 seconds, and the width 1280 and the height 720, and then just hit OK. Now we want to go Layer, New Layer, Solid. Or you can just press Ctrl Y. We're going to call this solid lens flare. Make sure it's black, and then once you've got the solid highlighted, you want to go Effect, Generate, and then Lens Flare. And then you just want to center up by grabbing this circle bit here. If you want to make sure it's perfectly centered, turn on this by going to this button down here, then clicking Title/Action Safe, then centering it up right in the middle, like that. And then you can just turn that back off. And as you see, it's nice centered lens flare. This tutorial is going to be quite short, but it's a short intro and an easy intro to make. It's just for all the beginners out there. And now you just want to go Text, and then click and add your text. I'm going to write T-Biz Designs. I'm going to change this text to, what should I change it to? Birth of a Hero. I like this text, quite nice. Wait, actually no, I want to make it a nice thick text. You want to make it a nice thick text as well, because we're going to have to add a texture to this. The text that I'm using is Bebus, and if you don't have that, I'll provide a link in the description for it. I just want to make sure that this is centered as well. There, centered text. And now all you have to do is get your texture. So you want to make sure you're hovered over the project, double click on it, or Control I, or you could either go File, Import, File. And then I've got these textures here. I'm just going to go and pick one, and I'm going to pick this metal one here. And then as you click on this image, or you can click on the text and drag it in, it like freezes in position like this, a magnetic thing, when it gets into the center. So you want to center that out, and then as you see, you just got this at the minute. You want to drag this underneath your text, and then where it says none here, you want to click on that and put Luma Mate T-Biz Designs, or whatever text you have, and click that. And as you see, it's got like the textures in your text. And then you don't want to have your this is normal for the picture. You want to make it as classic color burn, color dodge even. Oh, sorry. So we have classic color burn or color dodge. I'm gonna have classic color dodge. You could pick out of either one, but I think classic color dodge works better. So yeah, at the minute you've pretty much already done it. And as you see, you got your 5-second timeline down here, and you want to click on the lens flare one, and then click this arrow to drop it down, and drop down the effects, and then drop down your lens flare. And then you see you got lens brightness, flare brightness even, and then you want to put that to 250, so it's like your whole screen's white. And then you see you got this stopwatch here. You want to click that while it's at 0, so click there. And then I'm just going to drag mine to here. And then you want to put it down to 150, so it's like halfway in. And then drag it to the end, and then put it to 0. And if you go back to the start, you've got this nice animation. And now if you are struggling with rendering your things, all you have to do is go on composition, add to render queue, output mode, custom. You can select any of these, whichever one you want, but I'm just going to select Windows Media. And then this format option might come up, just wait for it to load a minute. Oh, mine was not responding. This format option might come up, or you have to click format option, and then you should get this. This is the format option. Sometimes it pops up, or sometimes you have to just click on it. I've got mine as HD TV, 1080p, 24 medium quality. You could select whichever one of these, but I'd recommend the HD TV 720 30 medium quality, or the HD TV 1080p. So I'm just going to select that. Actually, I'm going to select 720p for this. Then you go, ooh. Yeah, you don't want to mess with that. Set that back to 50. Yeah, then you just want to press, like if you're on this, you want to press OK, and then you should come back to this and you press OK again. Then you go output to, and then custom, and you can call yours whatever you want. I'm just going to call mine TBiz tutorial. OK, and then you got this render button over here. If you click render, see you got this orange bar coming up. Keep going, and as you see on your image, it's previewing it kind of as it renders through it. It won't be as slow as this if you preview it. Sometimes it goes into, like, it slows it down. You just wait for this to do this a minute. Anytime now. Yeah, as it's rendering, I just want to say, if you would like me to design like a YouTube template or an intro for you, just message me. When I do these, I usually ask you to subscribe to me first, or put me in your subscription box, because I got to get a bit of credit out of doing it, so, if you know what I mean. Right, just wait for the noise to go. You should get that noise sometimes when it's finished. And now I'm just going to go into TBiz folder, and mine would be saved in here. I don't know where yours would be saved. It will be saved wherever you select it to be saved. I'm just going to find it a minute. Search for it a minute. Should be here. Come on, green bar. Get your ass up there. Right, here we are. And then it should open up in Windows Media Player, and as you see, you got that nice flare. I'll play that once more for you. Flare fade out, your text, and then it goes. So that was my first After Effects tutorial. I hope you liked it. Please comment on what you liked or what you think I could improve. And this was TBiz Designs. Peace out.